Alright, so my foliage is all die cut now, and I'm going to take peeled paint and I'm going to use my blending brush, and I'm just going to put some down the center of each one of these pieces here. I kind of want the center and the end part of my foliage to be a little bit darker. This part tends to be behind the poinsettia, behind the candle or whatever, and naturally it would be a little bit darker towards the center of the arrangement. So I'm just putting that in there now, because it would be impossible to ink it when it is in our piece. Super simple. You could do a circular motion, but I'm just running it down the center of the die cut here, and that's enough to just give it some shadow in the center here. So super quick. They're all done and they all look just a little bit different from each other. I love them the way they are, but if by chance you didn't like some of the light spots, you could take your ink and you could just make it a little bit darker and customize it to what you like, but I am going to leave it exactly like that. They will only take a few moments to dry, and with that we've got all of our pieces made and we are ready to start assembling our vignette.